Hi, I'm Phil Barnes. I'm responsible for the manufacturing site here in Leicester. We predominantly produce the Aerotight self-locking nut, which is an important product to Apex Stainless and represents around 10% of their total turnover. The development took place in the 1940s. It was used probably during the war years, being a GKN Birmingham product. The manufacture was then taken over by a Leicester company called Premier Screw back in the early 80s. And then ultimately the product, the name and the manufacturing plant was bought by Apex Stainless in 2005. One of the ways the Aerotight is ahead of other products is that it can be reused several times and will still remain effective, so it is a sustainable product. It doesn't require any special installation tools to put it in place, and it will remain tightened down providing the two threads are protruding through the female component. With regards to the production processes involved in the manufacture of the Aerotight, we're currently exploring automated manufacture, robot-loaded techniques, which can be seen out there in the production area now. Well, Aerotight Manufacturing are an ISO 9001 accredited company. We've got a pretty robust quality manual and inspection procedures so that we can ensure that the drawing tolerances are maintained at every stage of production. The Aerotight's used in various applications, from heavy earth moving equipment to conveyor systems, offshore uses, even satellites. It's proven to be a very reliable nut within the industry, and it's chosen by many designers at the early stages.